a good way of annoying your teammates on shooting range if you have a private server. It's free, by the way. So first go sniper, warper, knife, and medkit. But if they think they're better than you, don't trust them when you hear this trick. So you place one warper there, or just behind your teammates. So like for me, I'm just in the normal shooting range. So I'll place one right here. But then you want to, if they're AFK, you don't just want to kill them. That could be a very, very big trick. You want to place another one right there. Then you do that. And you do this. Do that. Yeah. But also, if they're in a weird shape, like for example this, all I've got to do is backstab you, go to you, backstab you, go through here, go on this wire, then you drop down, then you do this, then what you need to do is go all the way to back here, then you go, and you go back, over here if you fail. So then if you keep failing, just go back and keep doing it. Then I jump over here, then you do, then you just instantly want to go back up, place one there, or if it don't work, place one right behind this purple one. Then you just move, and then you just instantly